Best deals.
1. Bowl basket. Steaming insert can used to steaming veggie, fruits, eggs, meats, seafood, baby food, desserts, dumpling and more. Also could be used as a food strainer or container. Simply place the basket, feet side down, in your pot of choice. When you are ready to put away, then fold into its original half size. The legs can be screwed off. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Citrus juicer. All detachable for easy separation and cleaning. Wireless portable juicer is equipped with a brush to help clean, compact and portable. Fruit juicer machine does not take up any space. Use this citrus juicer electric at home or take it to the picnic. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Printed white marble roti maker. It's simple to clean, dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Salt and pepper shakers. Is composed of high quality glass body and food grade ABS cap. The clear glass bottom makes it easy to see if you need to refill. The ring-shaped salt output design effectively blocks water vapor and moisture. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Ice cube trays. Dispense ice cubes effortlessly with a simple press, prevents direct contact with ice cubes, ensuring your ice remains clean and safe to use. Fits easily into any freezer, perfect for maximizing space in small kitchens. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Sealer machine. Ergonomically designed for comfort and ease of use during extended periods. Ideal for use in various settings, easy to move and store. Ensures a tight and durable seal, perfect for keeping food items fresh and safe. Ideal for sealing bags of baked goods like bread, cookies, and specialty items. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Tap light. Suitable for home, hotel, leisure places and so on, ideal for bathroom or kitchen, make it fantastic, offer you a wonderful experience, no batteries and external power supply, it will illuminate after water flows down. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Knife. Engineered to perfection at hardness and hand polished to a satin finish. Carefully tapered for improved hardness, flexibility, and minimal slicing resistance. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Grater. Has a attachable container for catching, measuring and storing freshly grated vegetables, crafted from sharp, stainless steel blades for easy grating. Container is made with premium material for extra durability, it's strong and durable. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Ice cube trays. Crafted from durable plastic. Designed to fit neatly and stackable in any freezer, these trays optimize storage space while keeping your ice organized and accessible. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Spiral. Perfectly balances various shapes of hands, can be detached quickly and comfortably. A non-slip ABS material is embedded in the handle to provide excellent grip and excellent control when removed. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Peeler. Peels all types of apples easily, blade cuts a wide peel than the more usual sort of metal peelers, making it fast, and ergonomic handle make peeling more effectively, enables a stronger and more durable. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Lid holder. Made of high quality PP, non-toxic, heat-resistant, BPA-free, sturdy and durable. Useful for kitchen countertops. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Scale remover tool. Designed to make scale removal effortless and efficient. Stainless steel serrated sawtooths ensure even and complete scale removal, comfortable non-slip ergonomic full-size handle. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Chopper. Made of food-grade PP plastic, which can safely produce a variety of food for your family. Crusher can help you more quickly and no more tears when you chop onions, garlic, and chili. Easy to use thanks to the pulling mechanism. Rotatable blades are placed at different points on the peeler. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Peelers. Features a carefully designed curvature that maintains a safe distance between your hand and the fruits or vegetables being peeled. It offers comfortable grip and can be operated effortlessly. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Baking mat. Is heat resistant, non-stick, non-toxic, odorless, flexible, never tarnish or discolor, made of flexible silicone, which is non-stick. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Rice pot. Designed for durability and longevity. The rust-resistant construction ensures it remains in top condition even with daily use. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Dutch. Made from superior quality stainless steel, adhering strictly to food-grade standards. Known for its durability and rust-resistant. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Pot stirrer. Self-rotating with 3-speed options, simply place it in a pan or pot, push the button to turn it on. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Ice cube tray. With this perfect size and classic shapes, ice cubes are very suitable for cooling your drink quickly and lasting long enough to pour other beverage over it. Flexible and durable ice ball maker can be easily twisted without cracking and make the ice ball simply pop out the perfectly formed. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Forks. Great tableware and decor when prepare party for kids, practical tools in bento box. Let kids' fruit time be more joyful with lovely fruit fork. Tableware on food, definitely a brilliant trick to make kids love to eat vegetables or fruit. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Egg white separator. Designed to accommodate various sizes of bowls, cups, and containers. Plus, it fits perfectly on a bowl, providing extra stability with its convenient hook feature. Made with food-grade stainless steel, it's quick, effortless, and ensures a mess-free experience. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Egg separator. Used in the shape of a chicken. Pour the eggs into the egg separator. The egg white flows out from the mouth of the chicken, while the yolk remains in the separator, does not occupy storage space. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Towel holder. Has a 5-layer polymer construction made with high-quality TPE and ABS materials, which are sturdy, resistant and can hold up to 10 kilograms. Also, the towel holder has an anti-slip hook and a powerful suction system that prevents the rack from slipping. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Slicer. With 6 different attachments for various shapes and size of slicing and cutting, can be used to cut the salad slices, lemons, potatoes, onion and all kinds of fruits and vegetables, crafted from quality stainless steel blades for easy chopping, sharp cutting blade for efficient and smooth cutting. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Broom holder. Rack can be adjusted automatically with the different thickness of the handle to fix whatever you want to hang up. Organizer and storage is waterproof, moisture-proof, rust-proof, anti-corrosion, suitable for all indoor and outdoor. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Handy caddy. Features multiple compartments of various sizes, offering dedicated spaces for sponges, brushes, clothes, spray bottles, and more. Lightweight and ergonomic design makes it easy to carry the caddy from room to room. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Kids forks. Perfect for decoration, convenient for children to take fruit, pastries, desserts to kindergarten or for adult to the office. No more greasy and dirty fingers while eating. Product link is given in the 29th link. Thanks for watching.